Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile kitchen appliances on the market, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro is not just a pressure cooker, it's a culinary powerhouse offering 10 functions in one sleek device. From pressure cooking and slow cooking to steaming, sautéing, and even yogurt making, this appliance does it all. Let's start with its premium cookware-grade inner pot. Featuring stay-cool silicone handles that make it convenient to move from the Instant Pot to your stovetop. It's equipped with 5 programmable settings, allowing you to tailor your cooking to perfection. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a slow-cooked feast, safety is paramount with features like overheat protection, a safe locking lid, and an upgraded steam release switch that reduces noise and prevents countertop splashes. Whether you're cooking for a family or batch cooking for one, the Instant Pot Pro accommodates up to 6 quarts of food. Ideal for diverse culinary needs. Its ability to pressure cook quickly while retaining flavors or slow cook for traditional recipes gives you flexibility in meal preparation. Included with the Instant Pot Pro is access to an app boasting over 800 recipes, ensuring you'll never run out of inspiration in the kitchen. This model is designed with a stainless steel finish, enhancing durability and ease of cleaning, making it a long-lasting addition to your kitchen arsenal. To sum up, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker stands out as the best 6-quart option available today, combining versatility, safety, and convenience in one appliance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this device promises to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking with your new Instant Pot Pro.